key of G major, we're going to identify or analyze the harmony and then add. So there's the tonic chord in G. Notice the scale, and there's the D major chord. That is the 5 chord, and when we add the C on top, it becomes a D7 chord. So they want you to write either G or D7 in the boxes above the staff. Let your ears guide you. Well, yeah, but more importantly, try it also. So you're going to sight read it. So I'm sight reading the right hand. I'll sight read the left hand. Sight read together. And I'll do the first one for you. So I write the Roman numeral down here. Notice it says no third or fifth, so I look up here and I notice that from here to here, the fifth, there's a missing note, so then I circle that. And this is a D7 chord. You only have 2 choices, so I think you can do the rest. Now over here, they want you to actually write and figure it out, so I'll do the first one. So I tried both sounds here, and the G chord sounded right, so I'm going to write in the G chord. I write in there and I write the G, and I'm going to keep going. So finish this and be ready to show it to me next week.